Hello all, in this video we will see how to delete a particular library from the list of libraries in KiCad. Like for example, we are opening a footprint editor here. Okay, in this footprint editor, when we go down, there are two project specific libraries that are there. Okay, so the bottom one has TSSOP20, which we have shown in the previous video, and then if you see, there isn't any component that is here. So now in this case, let us assume we want to delete this. Generally when we want to delete this, if you right click, you should see some delete option, or if you select this, there should be some option to delete, but you don't see any of the options. So in this case, how to delete this specific library from this list of libraries, basically the footprint libraries. So for that, what we have to do is we have to go to preferences and then manage footprint libraries, and here you can see that there is KiCad FP library. You can see here KiCad FP library. So you can select this and then you can delete. Okay, and then click OK. Now in this case, what happens is it tries to update, and you can see here the library doesn't appear anymore. So this is how you have to delete a library from the given footprint libraries.